In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a promo code deal for Tinder. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to open up my web browser and head on over to Google. Now inside Google, I'm going to type in a promo code for Tinder. Once I've done that, I'm going to click search and we'll be brought to the search results inside of Google. And now if we scroll down, we've got a few third-party sites offering promo codes for Tinder. So we got Worth the Penny, 65% off. We got Groupon.com. You can even check out Reddit is a good spot for promo codes as well. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be using worththepenny.com, 65% off. And the good thing about this site here, it gives you today's best offer. And it's for a lot of different sites as well. So for this one here, it's 65% off Tinder Gold with this promo code. And you can see more stats with it. So 100 people have used this with an 86% success rate. And these codes do change daily, weekly, monthly. So be sure to check them out at later dates for maybe possible even bigger savings. And another side note is that these codes do expire after a certain period of time. So yeah, just move on to the next code if that is the case. But for this demonstration, I'm going to be using this 65% off and it's verified. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto it. And now a little pop-up will appear. And now I'm going to click the copy code and start saving at Tinder. Copy this code, which is first kiss, and then paste this code at the checkout section of Tinder when you're purchasing Tinder Gold for 60% off your membership.